Hi there. Today we're going to learn about how to use the Wix mobile editor. So here I am in my website, and here I am using the desktop version of my Wix website. So take in mind, when you edit your website in the editor, and here from the desktop version, some of the elements or your design will automatically be translated to mobile. But sometimes you will have to change some elements manually because they don't translate correctly for the Wix mobile editor. So what you can do from here in your editor, just click on switch to mobile. And then from here, you will be redirected to the mobile version of your Wix website. So it works the same with your desktop editor. So if you want to change some images, for example, you can just click on the image that you want, click on settings, and then you can just change if you want to change the image proportions. And then if the image is clicked, you can choose if a link will open, or it will open in pop-up, or it can be magnified. But you can't change the actual image because you will need to use the use the desktop version for that. So what you can do is just move around some text. For example, if I move this, so it won't be automatically translated into the desktop version, since when you edit stuff in the mobile version, it will only be present in the mobile version. But when you edit some stuff in the desktop version, it will be sometimes automatically reflected on the Wix mobile version. So you just need to take that in mind. So again, going back to the mobile version, so I'll just move some stuff here in order to make it more beautiful in the Wix mobile version of the website. So you can do some other things as well. You can change the font size if you want, and then you can choose if you want to hide an element. So we'll make it show again, and then you can also change the animations for the mobile version of your website. For example, like this one. And then you can change the crop version of your image. For example, like that. And then you can change the shape of your crop image. You can do that as well. And then if you're not happy with the edits, you can just click on reset image proportions. You can also flip your image, and then again flip your image vertically or horizontally. And then moving on, so that's basically it. If you want to edit some text, move around it in order to make it more visually appealing in the mobile version. If you want to add some elements, you can do that as well. You can go here and you will notice that some of the options are not available in the mobile version. So we only have the text, image, button, decorative, box, social, and embed code. So we'll just need to play around with this options right here and choose the things that you want to add for your mobile version of your website. And that's basically it for editing the mobile editor. And I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching this video.